Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. I hope your day is going well. My day is going good so far. It is about noon and I just got home from my son's school doing a little bit of volunteer work. I do that at least once a week just to help out, and so now I'm back home, but I didn't do anything to my house this morning. But I figured I'd share with you ladies what I do on a daily basis just to kind of keep things up in the house. I don't do much upstairs. Most of the everyday cleaning is downstairs, with the exception of putting a load in the laundry and making up my bed and the boys' beds. So I just wanted to share with you just my daily cleaning routine, something, things that I do on a daily basis. And so if you need some motivation to get some cleaning done, please keep on watching. So usually I will empty out my dishwasher and put the clean dishes away. I usually get my kitchen done and cleaned at night, but there are some nights that I do not get it done, and so sometimes I do have to clean my whole kitchen in the morning. And so today, since I already had my kitchen done the night before, I'm just going to empty out the dishwasher and wipe down the counters. Wiping down my storm door glass is something that I have to do daily because I have a 3-year-old and he loves to put his hands all over the door when he's looking out the door, and so his little fingerprints are usually everywhere on it, so I usually have to wipe it down daily. Wiping down the bathrooms is something that I do daily. I have 3 gorgeous boys and they can get a little messy in the bathroom. Their aim is not quite there yet, and so to prevent the bathroom from smelling like a urinal, I have to wipe it down every single day to keep it clean.
Let's start by correcting it all. Lower your finger, don't be coming at me with condescending demeanor. Tell you did wrong, and what makes it worse, you don't even have a nerve to ever say that you're sorry.
Part of my daily routine is making up my bed. It just makes me feel more productive and it makes the room look a lot less messy. As far as my boys' beds go, it's a little bit limited. We just got them the dream tents and they love to keep the dream tents on their beds, so I'm just going to fold their sheets and blankets and just make it look decent. So washing a load of laundry per day helps me to keep the laundry down, and so I like to wash, dry, and fold at least 1 load per day, and that helps me keep like the laundry in check. So my loft is like open season for miscellaneous items to just be on the floor. So picking up my loft area is a daily task. Okay ladies, that is it for my daily cleaning routine. These things I do almost every single day with the exception of maybe like a sick day where I don't do anything, but for the most part this is my routine every single day. I hope you ladies enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up if you got that motivation that you needed today, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more videos. Have a blessed day.